For centuries, the plant kingdom seemed silent to us, a world of passive growth and quiet beauty. We admired their colors and fragrances, but we never imagined them talking. It turns out plants have been communicating all along, in a language we are just beginning to understand. They send messages through the air, the soil, even through intricate networks underground. These messages help plants find resources, ward off attackers, and warn neighbors of danger. Imagine a forest as a bustling city, filled with individuals constantly exchanging information. This is the hidden world of plant communication, a world of surprising complexity and cooperation. One of the most fascinating ways plants communicate is through the air, using chemical signals called volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Think of these as the perfumes of the plant world carrying messages on the breeze. These scents can signal danger, attract allies, or even manipulate other species. Imagine a caterpillar chewing on a leaf. The plant, under attack, releases a specific blend of VOCs into the air, a silent alarm that spreads quickly through the surrounding vegetation. Neighboring plants picking up on this chemical SOS can then prepare their defenses. Some plants release VOCs that attract beneficial insects like parasitic wasps, which prey on the caterpillars, causing damage. It's like calling for reinforcements in the middle of a battle. This sophisticated system of airborne communication helps plants protect themselves and maintain the balance of the ecosystem. But the language of scent isn't always about defense. Some flowers release enticing fragrances to attract pollinators, ensuring the continuation of their species. The next time you stop to smell a rose, remember, you're experiencing the power of plant communication in action. Beneath the forest floor, hidden from our sight, lies a remarkable network of fungal threads, connecting trees and plants in a vast, interconnected web. This wood-wide web acts as a giant communication highway, allowing plants to exchange nutrients, water, and even information. These fungal networks, called mycorrhizae, form mutually beneficial relationships with plants. The fungi provide the plants with essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, absorbed from the soil. In return, the plants share sugars produced through photosynthesis. It's a perfect example of symbiosis, where both partners benefit. But the wood-wide web is more than just a trading post for nutrients. It's also an information superhighway. Trees use this network to send warning signals about insect infestations or drought stress. Young seedlings struggling to survive in the shaded understory receive crucial support from their mother trees through this underground connection. This intricate web of communication highlights the interconnectedness of forest ecosystems. Trees are not isolated individuals but part of a complex, cooperative community, sharing resources and information to ensure the survival of the entire forest. Listening in plants in the world of sound. Plants lack ears, but research suggests they perceive and respond to sounds. They sense subtle vibrations in air and soil. Corn roots grow towards specific sound frequencies. Plants detect vibrations from chewing insects, triggering defenses. Water creates vibrations, helping plants locate it. Flowers may detect bee buzzing and adjust nectar to attract pollinators. Chemical conversations. Coping with stress. Life as a plant is full of challenges, from droughts and floods to hungry herbivores. Plants rely on a sophisticated language of chemical communication. Drought stress triggers a cascade of chemical signals within a plant. These signals travel from the roots to the leaves, triggering responses to conserve water. Leaves might wilt to reduce water loss, or the plant might slow down its growth. Plants can also release chemical signals into the soil. This early warning system allows other plants to activate their own drought defense mechanisms. The importance of understanding plant talk. The discovery of plant communication has revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. Plants are not passive bystanders but active participants in their ecosystems, engaging in complex communication networks that influence everything from biodiversity to forest health. By understanding how plants communicate, we can develop more sustainable agricultural practices. For example, we can learn to harness the power of beneficial fungi to improve nutrient uptake in crops, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. We can also develop new strategies for pest control based on plants' natural defense mechanisms. Beyond agriculture, understanding plant communication can help us conserve biodiversity and mitigate the impacts of climate change. By protecting the intricate networks of communication within forests, we can help these ecosystems adapt to a changing world. The next time you walk through a forest or a garden, take a moment to appreciate the silent conversations taking place all around you. Plants may not speak our language, but they have much to tell us if we only listen. Bridging the human-plant divide. As we delve deeper into the fascinating world of plant communication, it becomes clear that these silent conversations hold profound implications for our future. Imagine a world where humans and plants coexist in a more symbiotic relationship. Scientists are already exploring ways to translate plant signals into data we can understand, using advanced sensors and AI technology. This could revolutionize urban planning, agriculture, and even our daily lives. Picture a city where green spaces are not just decorative but integral to the urban ecosystem, communicating their needs directly to city planners. Imagine farms where crops signal their nutrient deficiencies or pest invasions, allowing for precise, timely interventions. Even in our homes, smart gardens could tell us exactly when they need water or nutrients, making gardening more accessible and sustainable. The potential for innovation is limitless. By bridging the gap between human and plant communication, we can create a future where technology and nature work hand in hand, fostering a healthier planet for generations to come. So the next time you encounter a plant, remember that it has a story to tell. All we need to do is listen and learn. Thanks for joining us on Future Vibe. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like to hear more about nature's hidden communication networks.